morning, everyone. Welcome to the open house at Ban Chong Mel School, Innovation School for the year 2025 through the Innovative School Initiative. Thank you very much.
Great job to the Patani 3 team. I really enjoyed this activity and hope there will be many more like it. Keep up the good work.
Today's event is an open house for educational innovation includes several activities. To present the driving educational innovation by 23 schools exhibition in Patani Primary Educational Service Area of Victory. The event had more than 1,000 participants and related networks. So, we will join hands and work together for raising the school quality to standard schools.
Today, Greater Works from School show job, share, innovation, and technology from school under Patani 3. Fun, learning, reading, and creativity to sustainable development.
We will be taking your fun and exciting tour around the event to offer the many activities showcase and innovative learning environment of the school has to offer. Let's get started. What you have seen today reflects our commitment to fostering student learning through hands-on and sharing with the public. But in the area 3, we will continue moving forward with determination.
The first stop here is an official training technique of the Education Open House. Event is followed by
During this segment, certificate of condition will be present to school and there will be special photographs by students from various schools.
We are an exhibition group. Discovery Taste, Shop and Share. Cutting edge. Innovation from our school. Creative. Learning from sustainable futures.
This is the National School show their innovative project under the Innovative School Initiatives. The school is show project in smart skill development, smart food innovation and traditional Thai dessert making.
One of the highlights of today's open house is the interactive activity station. Here, students and visitors can experience hands-on learning like cooking, playing, and workshops.
Right now, I'm at the booth of Ban Karabi School. Today, the school is presenting Smart Karabi สร้างคนดีด้วยวิถีชุมชน
Now, let's see how our students are working on their handicraft. I can see one
That wrap up our tour of the open house at Ban Chong Mel School. We hope you enjoy seeing what made our school special and how innovation is at the heart of our learning experience. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.